In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails in Gmail at once. This is a great way to declutter your inbox and ensure that you're only keeping the emails that are truly important to you. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Gmail. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to delete emails. Once you're logged in and viewing your inbox, locate the search bar at the top. In this bar, you can perform various types of searches to find specific emails or groups of emails. To start the process of deleting all emails, you'll need to enter a command into the search bar that tells Gmail to bring up every email in your inbox. Simply type label.inbox into the search bar and press enter. This will filter your emails so that all the messages in your inbox are displayed on the screen. Once your inbox emails are filtered and visible, you'll see a selection checkbox above your email list. Click this checkbox. Doing so will select all the emails that are currently displayed on the page. However, by default, Gmail only selects emails visible on the current page, usually about 50 emails. You may notice a message at the top that says, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click on this message to select every email in your inbox, not just the ones on the current page. After ensuring all your emails are selected, look towards the top of your inbox for the trash icon. Click on this icon. It looks like a small trash bin. This moves all the selected emails to your trash folder. Depending on the number of emails, it might take a moment for Gmail to process the action. Be patient and allow the emails to be moved. Now that your emails are in the trash, they will be permanently deleted automatically after 30 days. If you wish to delete them immediately, go to your trash folder by selecting More on the left panel and then Trash from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the trash folder, you'll see an option above the email list to empty trash now. Clicking this will permanently delete all your emails in the trash, instantly freeing up space in your Gmail account. Remember that once emails are permanently deleted, they cannot be recovered, so make sure you've saved any important emails or information before proceeding with this step. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to clean out your Gmail inbox and manage your email storage better. Thank you for tuning into this video tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides designed to make your digital life easier. See you next time.